I only wanted to lose weight, but was pleasantly surprised when all of my menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes, night sweats, sleeping problems, and irritability, all disappeared through hormonal metabolic correction.
I've been a nurse for over 25 years, so I was curious but very skeptical about hormonal metabolic correction. I decided to try it because it was impossible to lose weight even though I exercised and ate well. I even ran my own fitness center. Through balancing my hormones, I was able to lose that difficult fat that women often struggle with.
Whenever I lost weight in the past, I still felt like there were problem areas that would simply not reduce, like my hips and thighs. Being a nurse and understanding cosmetic surgery, I wouldn't consider liposuction. But with hormonal metabolic correction, the problem areas seemed to spot reduce, while other areas that did not need to reduce remained healthy looking.
I've been losing and gaining weight for years due to an underlying hormonal imbalance I've found out. But when doing the hormonal metabolic correction program, I was able to lose weight, keep it off, and decrease my high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and pre-diabetic condition, eliminating all medication.
I suffer with a common condition called polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS, which makes me insulin resistant, making it very hard to lose weight. Since doing hormonal metabolic correction, not only have I been able to lose weight, my cycle has now been regulated without risky medications or the birth control pill.
I used to have very bad endometriosis, but through hormonal metabolic correction, I was able to decrease my pain with my periods and eliminate all endometriosis symptoms. I was able to avoid a hysterectomy like I was told I could possibly need at an early age. And 6 months ago, at 36 years of age, I gave birth to a baby girl.
In addition to weight loss, hormonal metabolic correction allowed me to sleep better so that I could go off Ambien, as well as balance my neurochemicals so that I was able to go off Zoloft that I was taking for depression and anxiety.
I lost 50 pounds over 14 months with gastric band surgery. I then began to regain that weight. With hormonal metabolic correction, I lost 30 pounds in the first 30 days and have maintained that weight loss for over 3 months.
A few years ago, I had my thyroid removed due to thyroid cancer and nodules. By balancing my hormones, I was able to lower my thyroid medication several times.
For 2 years, I have suffered with chronic back pain due to arthritis, stenosis, and degenerative disease. In less than 1 month with hormonal metabolic correction, not only have I lost weight, but my back pain is completely gone.